Hey everyone, this is Preetham back at you with some more trigonometry today, because I noticed we haven't done that in a while. And by the way, this is not one of the conventional problems you see in a math test, because it would be the matter of a few smashes on your calculator to get the answer. But this one was a problem in a math competition, which was Luella, I guess 2016, but I'm not sure about the year. Another friend of mine, the same guy who sent the last one, sent this one to me saying, "Hey Preetham, am I expected to be remembering all the values of tangent from all the multiples of 5? I go like, "No man, you really don't need that." It really drives me nuts when some people just don't remember the basic trigonometric identities, but then go on to do multivariate calculus effortlessly. So let's look at this problem. This is the tangent of 5 degrees times tangent of 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85. What does that look like to me? Nothing but a troll problem with the troll level infinity. So the first thing you gotta do is, I'm about to break this tangent up. As you know, the tangent is defined as the parent function of sine and cosine. But before we go to the tangent, let me just highlight what sine and cosine and how they're really related. I know some of you out there might be saying, hey, the derivative of sine is cosine. But hey, there's something way more simpler than that. Sine of theta would be equal to the cosine of theta of 90 minus theta. Okay, given that they're in degrees is a must. So, for those of you guys who don't believe me, you can go ahead and smash that onto your calculator, try any random number, any random acute angle really, and tell me if even one disagrees with the other, and I will take this video down. Alright, so let's get back to the problem and breaking up the tangent. So tangent of 5 is sine of 5 over the cosine of 5 multiplied by the next term, that is a sine of 15 multiplied by the cosine of 15 multiplied, oh whoops, gotta write that 15 again. It looks like 115, which is something I really don't want because that gives me a completely different value of cosine because it's negative if it's an obtuse angle. So this would be the sine of 25 over the cosine of 25 multiplied by the sine of 35, and we're going to keep going that way, multiplied by the cosine of 35. And now I'm not going to break this term up because I know the tangent of 45 degrees is 1 multiplied by the sine of 55 over the cosine of 55 multiplied by the same sine of 65 over the cosine of 65, and then 75, 85, so on. But yeah, I'm just gonna write them all out right now. This is the 75, and this would be, okay, we're almost there. There we are, that's the last one. Okay, come on, let's zoom in a little. Okay, do not know why this is not working. Okay, yeah, there we go. These touchpads really do give me a lot of trouble sometimes, but I'm gonna get a new one very soon, and that's when these might get a lot better. Alright, so let's zoom out after I wrote out that long expression. Now, based on the identity I defined up here, for those of you who can't see it, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight that up there. What can you tell me about this? The sine of 5 degrees would be the same as cosine of 90 minus 5, which is 85. The sine of 5 and the cosine of 85 cancel out. Bingo. So let me grab another pen color. The sine of 5 and the cosine of 85 cancel out. And now, what can you tell me about the cosine of 5 degrees? Should cosine of theta 90 minus theta be 5, theta's got to be equal to 85. So sine of 85 and the cosine of 5 are the same thing. Now so on, so forth, we cancel these out. And now 25 and 65. Got to be careful there because the two angles got to add up to 90. And then they're the same. Sine 35, 55, cosine that. And all we're left with is 1. So the final answer of that scary expression out there is just 1. So you see that? You see how big of a troll this was and you guys just freaked out? I bet half of you guys watching this video might have freaked out by saying, oh no, I'm no calculator. You don't need to be a calculator. You just got to remember the basics of math. And of course, the first thing you do to anything is break it up to make it look simpler. I hope you guys enjoyed this and probably laughed at it like I did after I saw that. And of course, many trolls exist in math competitions and we just got to know the way to tame them. And I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching this. Please do subscribe to my channel, show me your love, and do not hesitate to say anything in the comment section if you think something was off or something could have been better or something was really good. Please do let me know in my emails in the description. You can always reach out to me with interesting stuff or something that you think's interesting so that we can work on it together. Anyways, thank you so much for your love. Until next time.